Joining me here now is Chief Architect Victor Okon. He is the chairman of Efik Professionals. It's so good to have you.
Iso wangai fakka frokondo. Ina kwa swayu takiko iba.
13 years of doing Utomo Obong. How would you say we have grown over the years?
It started very small. We had our little beginnings. It evolved over the years and see where we are today.
For me, Utomo Obong is the accumulation of everything being Efik. We Efik people find a day out of all the days in the year to come and give tribute to our king.
Yeah.
It shows that we respect the throne, we revere the throne, and we expect so much greatness from the throne because the throne is what defines us as a people. So for me, Utomo Obong since inception has always been something that I've participated in, and it's something that I am proud of and a big song to be part of.
If professionals come out every year, to celebrate with the Obong and the Utomo Obong event, because what we must revere our king. We are deliberate because we are a group of professionals cut across both home and abroad, and even in the diaspora, who want to support and build resources for the Efik Kingdom.
It is a culture that's evolved over a long period of time.
Yeah.
Back in the days, it used to be called Utomo, but
Okay.
it's metamorphosed to what we have now, the Utomo Obong. And you can see the entire atmosphere is charged. The people are excited. They're happy to come out and pay homage to a king that has unified the kingdom.
We used to pride ourselves as Efik young professionals. Over the years, we had to, grow to Efik professionals. So it's been a celebration of our king. You need to give respect to whom respect is due. And you know that the Obong of Calabar is a treaty king, the natural ruler, the grand patriarch of Efik, Ebrutu Kingdom, and the defender of the Christian faith. And he's amongst the A-list traditional rulers in the country. So as young professionals from the Efik extractions, we've come together to celebrate and pay homage to the Obong of Calabar. You can see different houses that are fully represented. So we come under this umbrella. Very soon we'll be having a procession with our gift to celebrate our king.
Efik Professional is an assemblage of distinct Efik sons and daughters who are really exceptional in diverse facets of endeavors, coming together to ensure that the growth of Efik Kingdom is inevitable. Eyo Calabar, iya Cala. We eteke fium trombono du kenkado. Stanley Boy since modu kenkado. If you want to back kenkado.
No. Say Sammy Ganja. Oh, yeah, slow down and coding diet. Tuvalamba, Lusso, Melo, Exo Melo. I'm Jama Jamina. I said, don't let them in your jam. Our boys, but they will go back in loco. Kashana Wale. One alone on the caskets. People do today. Aha. Ebele. Your chance of culture.